Buckle up, everybody. We're diving deep into the crypto world today. It's 2025, and things are getting wild.
Yeah, you could say that again.
I mean, we've got a stack of articles here. Wall Street Journal, Reuters, even the New York Post is in on this one.
Meme coins, right?
You know it. But it's not all fun and games. We've got some serious stuff from AP News on the legal front, too.
Regulation's the big question mark, isn't it?
Absolutely. And that's exactly why we're here. This deep dive is your one-stop shop to understand where crypto's at, where it's going, and how to, not get totally lost in the process.
It's a jungle out there.
No kidding. But a jungle with some serious treasure, too. So first off, the big picture. Globally, things are getting a little complicated.
Yeah, complicated's one word for it. We're seeing two totally different approaches emerging.
Almost like two different worlds of crypto, right?
Exactly. On one hand, you've got the U.S., which is, well, becoming pretty crypto-friendly.
President Trump's a big fan, isn't he?
Huge fan. Pro-crypto regulations are popping up left and right, and there's even chatter about a national Bitcoin reserve.
Wow. That's a big statement.
It's basically saying, hey, the U.S. is open for crypto business.
But then you've got China, which is, well, not exactly following that playbook.
Not even close. They're tightening control, basically shutting out private Bitcoin ownership.
And pushing their own digital yuan, right?
Exactly. Control and stability. That's their game. Makes you wonder what it all means for the future of global finance, right?
Right. I mean, who's going to come out on top? And where does Europe fit into all of this?
Well, we are seeing some interesting moves in Europe. For example, Standard Chartered, a major bank, is launching a crypto custody service in Luxembourg.
Interesting. So even with the uncertainty, institutions are jumping in.
They're seeing the potential, that's for sure. They're providing the infrastructure to manage all these digital assets.
So while governments figure out their strategies, Bitcoin's doing what Bitcoin does.
Shooting for the moon.
It hit $100,000. Remember all those conversations about spot Bitcoin ETFs?
They weren't just talk. Those ETFs are here, and they're a big reason why Bitcoin's gone through the roof. Look at BlackRock, for instance. Their iShares Bitcoin Trust was the most successful ETF launch in history.
Wow. So institutional money is pouring in.
Big time. It's fueling the fire for sure.
And with Bitcoin's success, everyone's wondering, what's next? What other cryptos could get their own ETFs?
Solana and Ripple's XRP are definitely on people's radar.
Will they see the same kind of growth as Bitcoin? Who knows? But it's not just everyday investors who are paying attention. Hedge funds are getting in on the action too.
Oh, yeah. Hedge funds like Tephra Digital and Pythagoras Investments, they're seeing massive returns. They're not afraid of risk, and it's paying off in this bull market.
It's exciting, right? All this potential. But we have to talk about the other side of the coin too. The risks. I mean, this Connecticut case is a pretty scary example.
Yeah, a $240 million crypto heist. It's a reminder that this space can be a wild west. Criminals are out there, and they're getting creative.
And it's not just these massive heists. Text message scams are becoming a huge problem too.
People getting tricked with fake job offers and promises of quick money. It's heartbreaking, really.
$2.2 million stolen through text message scams alone. That's why the New York Attorney General is stepping in.
They're trying to shut it down, but it goes back to what we were saying before. Stay informed. Protect yourself. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Right. Don't let the excitement cloud your judgment. But speaking of things that might seem too good to be true, meme coins.
Meme coins.
You mean those joke cryptocurrencies?
Yeah.
Are they actually becoming serious investments?
It's crazy, right? But it's happening. Remember when Elon Musk changed his X handle to Kikius Maximus?
Yeah.
Well, some obscure meme coin with a similar name shot up like 4,800% just because of that.
You're kidding. Just from a name
Yeah,
change.
just the power of memes, I guess.
So are they just a fad? Or are they here to stay?
It's hard to say. Some people think they're a joke. Others say they're changing how we think about finance. It's like internet culture meets Wall Street, a social phenomenon where communities can drive up the value of, well, a meme.
It's fascinating, isn't it? The lines are blurring between a joke and a serious investment. Okay, so we've covered a lot today. Regulation, Bitcoin's boom, security risks, and the rise of meme coins. The crypto world is a wild ride, that's for sure. But there's one thing I'm taking away from all this. It's that knowledge is power.
Absolutely. You've got to stay informed, especially in a space that's changing so fast. And speaking of staying informed, that Connecticut case, the $240 million heist.
What about it?
What if there's more to the story? Could this heist be connected to something bigger, something with even more serious consequences?
That's a good question. A lot to think about.
Yeah, the crypto world is full of surprises. It's exciting, it's risky, and it's definitely not slowing down.
So stay curious, do your research, and keep learning. That's the key to navigating the crypto world. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.